Hunter, please tell me why you have come to see me today.
I keep having these thoughts. I keep having thoughts about being a dog.
This is most interesting. Please do go on. Mr. Hunter! Mr. Hunter!
I can't think of anything else. I don't think about my job. I don't think about my pack. I mean, I don't think about my family. I don't think about women. There's Molly, of course, but she's not interested in me. I know it's wrong to want to be a dog. You've got to help me!
Yes, Mr. Hunter. This is fine, I can help you, but first you must answer some further questions. Now, tell me, how long is it that you have wanted to be a dog?
Ever since I was a pup.
And why is it appealing for you to be a dog?
Well, I want to be able to lick my own balls.
This is most interesting. Now tell me about your mother.
She was a bitch. Oh!
Does talking about her make you feel uncomfortable?
No, I'm uncomfortable because I'm not normally allowed on the furniture.
Mr. Hunter! Mr. Hunter! Sit down! Mr. Hunter, please! Come, this is clearly a case of dissociative animalia dysmorphia. You are too distressed to continue. I shall give you some medication and see you next week. Do you understand?
Oh!